Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best oil sprayers. Are you tired of wasting oil while cooking? Or perhaps you're looking for a healthier way to add oil to your favorite dishes? Say hello to oil sprayers, the kitchen gadget you never knew you needed. In this video, we'll dish out the deets on the best oil sprayers around so you can find your perfect match. Let's get cooking. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth oil sprayer in our list is the HIC Evo Stainless Steel Oil Sprayer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Get ready to revolutionize the way you add oil to your cooking with the HIC Evo Stainless Steel Oil Sprayer. The sleek and stylish kitchen gadget is here to make your life easier and your cooking more precise. One of the coolest features of this gadget is its high-quality stainless steel construction. This not only makes it durable and long-lasting, but it also ensures that your oils and food stay free from any unwanted chemicals or contaminants. But the fun doesn't stop there. It also boasts an easy-to-use pump system that allows you to build pressure with just a few pumps and then spray a fine mist of oil onto your food. This means no more messy and imprecise pouring from traditional oil dispensers. And cleanup is a breeze too. The sprayer can be easily disassembled and washed in the dishwasher, making it the ultimate kitchen gadget for busy home chefs. Now take note that it has a stainless steel body, so you can see what's on the inside. This means you have to regularly open it to see if it's already running out of contents or check the type of liquid you have inside. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for those who want to avoid any unwanted chemicals or contaminants in their oils thanks to its high-quality stainless steel construction. The fourth oil sprayer in our list is the CZDIDEXI Oil Sprayer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Whether you're looking to reduce waste, create healthier meals, or just want a more precise way to apply oil to your dishes, the CZDIDEXI Oil Sprayer is definitely worth checking out. First off, it's got this amazing 300-4 stainless steel exterior that not only looks great but is also super tough and long-lasting. It also has this awesome feature where it sprays oil in a super fine mist, giving you way more control and precision when you're cooking. By using just the right amount of oil for your recipe, you'll not only reduce waste but also create healthier and more delicious meals. But that's not all. The sprayer also features a clear glass bottle, so you can easily see how much oil is left and what type of oil you're using. Plus, it's super easy to clean and refill. Just unscrew the top and pour in your favorite oil. Another great feature is its portable size, making it perfect for outdoor cooking or taking with you to a friend's house for a dinner party. And with its easy-to-use pump action, you can enjoy a mess-free cooking experience with no need for batteries or cords. Before you purchase it, keep in mind that it's not dishwasher safe and shouldn't be cleaned with a steel brush. We suggest you hand wash it using a soft sponge for proper maintenance. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people on a tight budget as it's the most affordable option on the list. The third oil sprayer in our list is the Misto Oil Sprayer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you're looking for a way to add flavor and moisture to your dishes without all the mess, then the Misto Oil Sprayer is definitely worth a try. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. This little gem is a sleek and stylish oil sprayer that's perfect for adding just the right amount of oil to your dishes without any mess. Whether you're cooking up a storm on the stovetop, grilling outside, or baking up a storm, the Misto Oil Sprayer has got your back. What we love about this product is how easy it is to use. Simply fill it up with your favorite oil, give it a few pumps, and voila! You have a fine mist of oil that you can spray evenly on your food. It's perfect for everything from roasting vegetables to seasoning your meats. But that's not all. This sprayer is also incredibly eco-friendly. Instead of using disposable aerosol cans, you can fill this one up with your favorite oil and use it again and again. It's better for the environment and your wallet too. Overall, we have to say that the Misto Oil Sprayer is a game changer in the kitchen. It's easy to use, eco-friendly, and it makes cooking a breeze. Now keep in mind that it can be prone to clogging. This is particularly true if you're using thicker oils or if the sprayer is not cleaned properly after each use. But this can be remedied by regularly cleaning the sprayer or by using thinner oils. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are conscious of their own environmental impact and are looking for ways to reduce waste in the kitchen since it's eco-friendly and refillable. The second oil sprayer in our list is the Purelite Continuous Oil Sprayer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. As the name suggests, the Purelite Continuous Oil Sprayer is designed to continuously spray a fine mist of oil into your food, ensuring an even coating and no waste. Its unique design allows you to control the amount of oil you use, making it a great alternative to traditional oil dispensers and sprayers. One of the things that sets it apart from the rest is its incredible built-in oil filter. It is designed to strain out any impurities or solids in the oil, ensuring a smooth and even spray every time. The design is just so clever and sleek, and the color is absolutely gorgeous with a deep, rich hue. But that's not all. Did you know that this color also serves as a shield against harmful UV rays? Yes, it's true. This is so important because it protects the oil inside from getting damaged. Overall, its UV protection feature helps to keep your oil fresher for longer by blocking out harmful light that can cause oxidation and spoilage. This means that your oil will last longer and you won't have to worry about using rancid oil in your cooking. Despite its opaque color, the film is still translucent enough to allow you to easily see the liquid level inside, ensuring that you never run out of your favorite cooking oil mid-recipe. But what about cleaning? Fear not, it's also incredibly easy to clean. The container and nozzle can be easily disassembled for cleaning, and everything is dishwasher safe for added convenience. Before you make a purchase, one thing to note is that this one does require some effort to pump up the pressure for the spray. However, this is a minor inconvenience when compared to the convenience and benefits of the sprayer. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people with a big budget because it's the most expensive one on the list. The best oil sprayer in our list is the Wayeept Oil Spritzer Mister, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, it's time to switch to the Wayeept Oil Spritzer Mister. This kitchen gadget is a perfect tool for anyone who wants to add a burst of flavor to their cooking without sacrificing convenience and efficiency. With its innovative pump and spray mechanism, this item is the perfect way to evenly coat your pans, grills, and food with your favorite oils and other liquids. But what sets it apart from other oil sprayers on the market? Its versatility, of course. Not only can it be used with oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, but it can also be used with other liquids such as vinegar, lemon juice, or soy sauce. Imagine the possibilities: a tangy and zesty marinade for your chicken, a sweet and sticky glaze for your veggies, or a refreshing dressing for your salad. Our team also liked how easy it is to use. Simply fill the bottle with your desired liquid and pump the top a few times. A fine mist of flavorful goodness will coat your food, enhancing its taste and texture. The stainless steel pump and nozzle are highly rust-resistant and easy to clean, which makes maintenance an absolute breeze. As you can see, it's also completely transparent, which means you can easily keep track of how much liquid you have left. And the best part? It's dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about any annoying cleaning. We'd also like to point out its tight sealing cap that keeps your liquid fresh and contained, so you don't have to worry about any spills or leaks, making your life so much easier. Overall, the Wayeept Oil Spritzer Mister's construction and design are top-notch, combining functionality and style in one eco-friendly package. It's important to note, though, that it can be a bit tricky to clean. While the glass bottle is dishwasher safe, the pump and nozzle require some extra attention to remove any residue or buildup. This may require disassembling the sprayer and cleaning it with a small brush or sponge. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for aesthetic freaks, as it boasts a modern design that'll complement any kitchen decor. And there you have it, folks, our best oil sprayers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next oil sprayer roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.